My dear students, Zankar Educational Series welcomes you. Let's enjoy learning My English Book 7. Unit 1 1.1 It's a small world. Dear children, when the poet says it's a small world, he means sometimes you meet the same people in an unexpected place or find out that they are connected to people you know. In this way, it's a small world means everywhere you get surprises of such events. We are all living in the same world. Even if we are living in different cities, states, countries, we all experience the same feelings. Whenever we are happy, we laugh. Whenever we are sad, the tears are there in our eyes. But even after these conditions, there are hopes and there are fears also. So the poet says, it's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and a world of fears. There is so much that we share that it's time we are aware. It's a small word after all. 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 It's a small world. So dear children, whenever we meet each other, we share the same feelings because the world is very small. There is just one moon and one sun. And all over the world, when people smile at each other without knowing the language and without speaking a single word, everyone knows the meaning of smile, that is friendship. Though the mountains divide the land and different countries are formed, though the oceans are wide, the world is very small. At any corner, we meet our friends surprisingly because it is a very small world. So the poet continues, there is just one moon and one golden sun, and a smile means friendship to everyone. Though the mountains divide and the oceans are wide, it's a small world after all. It's a small word after all. It's a small word after all. It's a small word after all. It's a small world. English workshop. Here you can see some expressions and sentences which are heard in a school on the first day. Now use these expressions to prepare simple conversations between two or more speakers. So here is the first one. Hello Sanjay. Hi Vijay. How are you? I'm fine. How did you spend your holidays? I had gone to my grandmother's place in a village. I enjoyed going to farm. Now another conversation. Hi Meena. Hi Sia. Meet my new friend Kiran. Hi Kiran. It's nice to be back in school. Yes.